Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of the Scosche MagicMount Flask. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So as the name suggests, the MagicMount Flask is of course a flask that comes with MagSafe compatibility, and that's the unique part that makes it a smartphone accessory. So in terms of appearance, the very first thing that you will notice is that the cap of this flask is not like a regular flask. We got this mount here that is MagSafe compatible, where you can connect your smartphone. You can change the angle of this mount here up and down at different angles, and here at the top we got this zipper that is connected with a straw that goes inside the flask. Here we got the MagicMount branding, and here is the Scosche branding. The MagicMount Flask comes in two sizes, 22 ounce and 32 ounce. The one we got here is 22 ounce one, and it comes in 4 different colors. The cap of the MagicMount Flask is compatible with the flask of many different flask brands as well. So if somehow you lose your flask and you just got this cap, or for some reason you do not want to use the flask but you want this MagSafe compatible magnetic mount cap on your flask, then you can use it with the flask of other brands as well. The interior of MagicMount Flask comes with double wall insulation, and because of that it provides top quality insulation for the hot and cold beverage. It can keep a hot beverage hot up to 12 hours and a cold beverage at its temperature up to 24 hours. Another unique part of the design of the MagicMount Flask is this bottom. Here we got this rubber part that protects the bottom of the MagicMount Flask, and it is removable as well. So you can just take it out and then you can use it as a pet bowl. So let's say you are going outside for a walk with your dog and then your dog is feeling thirsty, then you can use this bowl here to give some water to your dog. So once again, this is a nice and unique feature that we got here on our Scosche MagicMount Flask. The cap of the MagicMount Flask comes with a counterbalance design that keeps the bottle upright even when it's empty, and you attach a large heavy smartphone to it. Another interesting part of the design is that this zipper opens on the back side, so even if your phone is connected to the MagicMount Flask, you can use it to drink water without even removing your smartphone. The matte finish body of the Scosche MagicMount Flask looks quite beautiful and premium from every angle, and it is also quite minimalistic, as you can see. The magnet used on the MagicMount Flask is quite strong, and you can use it to connect your smartphone at different angle. As you can see, the whole purpose of this MagicMount design is that you can use your water bottle as a smartphone stand. So if you're in gym, or if you're in the kitchen, or you're just working and want to have a look on your smartphone while working or doing anything, then you can use your water bottle as a stand to record a video, watch something on your smartphone, or for whatever purposes. It comes with support for any smartphone that comes with built-in magnet, like the Pixel Snap on Google Pixel smartphones, any of the iPhones with MagSafe compatibility, or any smartphone with a MagSafe case. And you can change the angle of this Magic Mount for better viewing experience. So the Scosche MagicMount Flask is a nice accessory for your smartphone, as it is pretty useful in many different aspects. It is a very nice quality flask for both hot and cold beverage. It comes with this magic mount that allows you to attach your smartphone with it and use this flask as a stand. And then we got this pet bowl here at the bottom that you can use to feed your pets as well. If you're interested in buying the Scosche MagicMount Flask, then I have shared the link in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.